kita ko atong Senate hearing ba na inangutana ato kung unsang nga bill ang giporma aning Quadcom nga niingon mga itong usa ka congressman nga dili na ko kinanisulti nimo ang akong himuon na bill na kuno siya 5 ka bill.
Mr. Chair, we would like to be clarified because this is a legislative inquiry in aid of legislation. May we know what proposed legislation is being set on the table for the committee to consider and for the resource person to contribute their valuable inputs, if any.
Mr. Chair, Attorney Delgra, my committee, the Human Rights, have at least 5 bills that ought to be filed. And it is not our duty to tell you what those bills are.
Kay in aid of legislation magahani ang nahitabo nga hearing karon. Pero wa ka ba unsa na pagporma magboy padulngan. Ambot lang kung unsa inyong opinion ani. Kay ang mga resource speakers ba mura maggitawag ra nila dili in aid of legislation. Mura gitawag nila aron public humiliation dili aid of legislation. Kay ilan namang gihukman. Mura naman ang Congress o ang Senate na himong korte. So, mo ba ni democracy? Sakto ba ni? Or ambot lang, ako naglibog na kamo, wa mo naglibog na.